Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video I'm going to show you guys how to turn your attachment ventilated full lace to human hair before braiding. Okay, how you can easily turn your attachment ventilated full lace to human hair kind of before braiding. So all you have to do first of all, you have to smoothen your attachment. Okay, attachment ventilated full lace. If you don't know how I was able to ventilate this, please check my video on full lace ventilation. Okay, yeah, after smoothing it, the next thing is to get a bowel. You can use any conditioner of your choice, any conditioner at all. Add little conditioner inside the bowel. Okay, just need to, like I said, use any conditioner of your choice. Then when you are done with that, the next thing you are going to do for me is to get your boiled water and add it to the conditioner. Okay, add boiled water into the conditioner and add enough. Okay, add enough, the one that will be enough for you to dip the ventilated attachment full lace inside the bowel. Okay, make sure every part of the attachment, every part of the lace is soaked with the conditioned water. If the water is not enough, we are free to top up the water, just like I did here. I needed to top up the water because I need the lace to soak the conditioned water very well. Remember, your conditioner is very important for this procedure to work. Okay, then allow it to sit for some time. After that, get it out and use your big tooth comb to brush it out, guys. Gently brush it out. Remember what we are trying to do here. We want to make this attachment ventilated full lace. We want to make it to be like human hair, so that when we are braiding with it, it will be very smooth. The outcome will wow you. You can't compare attachment ventilated full lace that you treated this way before braiding with the one that you do not treat. The difference is always there, because once you are done with the process, you will see the difference. So the next thing I'm going to do is to allow it to dry. You can sun dry, you can air dry, whichever way. Just allow it to dry, guys. Remember, you can use this process for both closures and frontals, as far as you're making use of it to braid. As far as you are using it to braid and you vented with attachment, please do this. Then this is when the thing is dry. I have to now brush it again with my hair comb. You can see the difference now. When you do this, you are going to get a very soft texture. Okay, someone will not even know that this is attachment because of this process. It's going to be very soft to work with. It won't be like it won't be in the original format. Remember, this is attachment, but it's looking like human hair. Okay, so when you want to braid, do any braided wig with frontals, closures and full lace, go ahead and do this process. Treat it by doing exactly what I showed you guys in this video. Feel free to use any conditioner of your choice. When you treat it before braiding, the difference is always clear. You will love the outcome more than the one that you do not treat. So if you followed me to this point, I know you gathered something, you learned anything from this video, the only thing that you can do for me to show appreciation is by clicking that like button, share the video so that others will get to see this video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. If you are yet to join the family, do not forget to do that by subscribing. Follow me so you don't miss any updates from me. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next upload, which is a video where we'll be making this braided wig. Thank you guys once again and see you in my next upload. Bye.